What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Archblock, which is up 8.6% at $2.24. We have a $216 million market cap with a circulating supply of 98 million out of 186 million total. All-time high was about a month ago, guys. We're only down 7%. So we did put in a new all-time high before the parabolic phase of the bull run. So this is kind of crazy. Curious to see what the bull run top will be for this thing. All-time lows 4 years ago at 4 cents. Currently available on the following exchanges: Coinbase, Gate.io, Bitcube, BitGet, LA Token, and obviously Gate.io again with a different pair. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ABT. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into ABT. So what we are currently seeing here is heading up towards our previous all-time high, which was this wick. We're only 7% down from that. The only thing that I see that could be kind of concerning is the possibility of a double top coming in here, a one top, two top. That would then push the price down much further. So I'm going to start off, get the bearishness out of the way, and then we can end this video with a little bit of hopium. So you want to keep a close eye on the prior all-time high, because that's always a very, very heavy resistance area, which is around what was that, $2.30 some cents? Yeah, 239. So keep an eye on $2.39. That's gonna be the next main resistance area. On top of that, the MACD is bullish, so we do have some momentum going for us. We made another larger engulfing candle today with the RSI starting to tail back up and put in a higher high. So that's bullish right there. The RSI bottomed out on the 19th, and we've been putting in higher highs ever since. Now, if we look at the WTX is getting pretty close to the red, but we have not printed any sort of sell signal yet. And we do like going pretty deep in the red before we print a sell signal. So we'd be monitoring that as well. So with all this being said, I think we have a very, very good chance at overtaking this all-time high in the next push up. So the next push up, top to the bottom of the initial run rate here, would most likely bring us up to the 1618 at about $3.95. So I would say $4 is the next main resistance area for us to focus on. But obviously that can't take effect until we break above that heavy resistance area, the prior all-time high at what was that, 239? We'll just round it up to 240. So if we get above 240, we'll most likely hit the 1236 at about 290 to $3, and then we'd probably come back down to test that prior resistance flip support and then push up to here. Something similar to what we did right here. You see how we broke out, back tested, and then we went to the moon. I think that's kind of what we could be seeing here for Archblock. But I do think a $4 Archblock is coming, guys. And no, I don't think that's the bull run top. I think the bull run top, if you go from the high to the bottom right here, is a possible $25 Archblock. So $25 possible bull run top for Archblock is kind of what I'm looking at here. Take it for what it is, take it with a grain of salt, because anything can happen in crypto. But right now in the short term, we just want to focus on taking out our prior all-time high. And once we do that, that clears a path to the next main resistance, which is the 1618 at $4. So I think what we'll probably see here is break the high, go up to around $3, come back down to around 250, and then run up pretty hard to around $4 plus, something like that for Archblock. So the indicators are looking strong. This is only going to happen if we break the prior high, obviously, which is at $2.40. Keep an eye on that. If you get rejected at 240, then we're probably going to be coming all the way back down to $1.25. So that's a huge area to keep a close eye on, is around that $2.40 area, guys. And we're pretty dang close to it right now. We're only 7% below it. So once we tackle that area right there, we can do an update video. So if we get above $2.40 or we get rejected off of it, someone remind me in the comments and we can do a follow-up video on ABT. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.